Hello, welcome to my channel. This time I've gone with an exciting eye makeup tutorial. This is a special black smoky eye makeup look, and this tutorial is perfect for beginners. All you need to do is follow along with me step by step in the video. So let's get started. To start, I'm using a light blue eyeshadow. You can see the color intensity here. For applying this eyeshadow, I've chosen to use tape as it makes the process easier. So take a fluffy brush and apply a small amount of the eyeshadow to the crease of the eye and continue it towards the inner corner of the eyelid. You can apply the eyeshadow from the inner corner, then extend it towards the crease. I even extend the eyeshadow to the outer corner of the crease area. My intention in applying the blue eyeshadow to the crease is to create a very soft smoky effect that adds a subtle hint of blue to the makeup. Therefore, I blend the eyeshadow well with a blending brush or fluffy brush to achieve a soft and smoky appearance. When applying the blue eyeshadow, I focus on building up the intensity gradually. I start with a light layer of eyeshadow and then gradually add more as needed. This allows me to control the depth of the color and avoid any overpowering effects. Next, I'm using a black powder eyeshadow. This black eyeshadow is glittery and it's seriously one of my favorite eyeshadows ever. You can pick your own favorite black eyeshadow from your eyeshadow palette and use it for this step. You know, blending black eyeshadow can be a bit tricky, and if you put too much of it, it makes blending even harder. So to start with, I use a small and flat brush and apply the black eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid, then bring it all the way to the inner corner. I try to gradually build up and blend the eyeshadow using the same brush. Don't worry if you see any harsh lines, we will fix that in the next step using a fluffy brush or a blending brush. As you add more eyeshadow, be mindful of not applying too much at once. It's easier to build up the color gradually than to try to blend out a heavy application. Remember, you can always add more eyeshadow if needed, but it's more challenging to remove excess product. So practice makes perfect when it comes to blending eyeshadow. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different techniques. With time and patience, you will become more skilled at blending and creating a stunning eye makeup looks. As I mentioned, we use a fluffy brush to make the eyeshadow color stronger, blend it nicely, and create a smooth look with the black eyeshadow. I know blending can take time, but it's worth it to have a clean and beautiful eye makeup. And don't forget to blend the crease area well to ensure there are no harsh lines. I'm using this super attractive shimmery blue eyeshadow and it's really vibrant. You can see how pigmented and captivating it is. I choose a tiny brush and carefully apply the eyeshadow to the center of my eyelid. Then I use the same small brush to blend out any harsh lines and make sure the eyeshadow is blended nicely. Since this shimmery eyeshadow is so gorgeous, I gradually add more of it to make it bolder and more enticing. It is so gorgeous. You can use Multichrome eyeshadows for this purpose because their combination with the black smoky eyeshadow becomes truly captivating and different. Now let's move to the inner corner of the eyelid. I use this shimmery pink, or I can say pinkish purple eyeshadow. Using shimmery eyeshadows really enhances your makeup and makes it more beautiful. I'm a big fan of them and can't complete my makeup without a touch of glitter. Use a small brush for this purpose. Since it's a shimmery eyeshadow, try to add and blend it gently and gradually. Follow the natural shape of your eyelid and apply the eyeshadow. I combined this pinkish purple eyeshadow with this shimmery eyeshadow. I can't exactly tell the specific color, but it can be a very subtle pink shade. By combining them, I made the eyeshadow more vibrant and intense, giving it a glossy finish. Alright, let's finish up our eye makeup with eyeliner. I'm using this type of eyeliner. I'm not used to using tape for creating the eyeliner shape, but it's a suitable and helpful option for beginners. Make sure the eyeliner is completely dry before removing the tape to prevent smudging. I made a mistake here. Now it's time to focus on the lower lash line. I'm using the same black eyeshadow again. Before applying it, I apply a bit of the eyeshadow to the outer corner of my upper eyelid to darken it. Then I move on to the lower lash line. This makeup is really gorgeous and simple. I'm sure you will love it. Give it a try sometimes for sure. I applied the eyeshadow to the lower lash line, keeping the line close to the base of my lashes. I extend the eyeshadow towards the middle of the lower lash line, but I don't bring it all the way to the inner corner. Next, I use this shimmery eyeshadow for the inner part of the lower lash line. It's almost like repeating the process we did on the eyelids, but this time focusing on the lower lash line. I've decided to use false eyelashes, and I usually prefer using natural looking lashes with a thin band. You can use any type of false eyelashes that you like, or you can apply mascara to your natural lashes. It's all a matter of personal preference and what you feel most comfortable with. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. This makeup tutorial was both easy and beautiful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and leave your comments below. Also, consider sharing it with a friend whom you think would find this tutorial useful. I truly appreciate your supports. If you are interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload tutorial videos every week and all of them are beginner friendly. So subscribe to my channel to stay updated and not miss out on future videos. I love you all and I will see you next video. Bye bye. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's so down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time.